If you're still rocking that old, dusty case that sounds like a jet engine taking off, it's time for an upgrade. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best Airflow PC cases for 2024, and trust me, these bad boys are gonna make your rig look and perform like $1,000,000. We're talking sleek, modern designs that'll turn heads and keep your components cooler than a penguin's feet. But it's not just about looks. These cases are engineered to provide optimal airflow, ensuring your hardware runs at peak performance without breaking a sweat. And the best part? We've got all the juicy details and links in the description below, so you can easily snag your perfect Airflow PC case without any hassle. Now, let's get into the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the Phanteks Evolve Shift 2, the best home theater PC case of 2024. This sleek and stealthy beast looks more like a high-end soundbar than a PC case, making it the perfect addition to any living room setup. But don't let its compact size fool you. This bad boy packs a serious punch. With support for mini ITX motherboards and tons of space for beefy components and liquid cooling loops, the Evolve Shift 2 is the ultimate fusion of style and power. Imagine running the latest games or editing videos on this rig, all while it blends seamlessly into your entertainment center. It's like having a supercomputer in disguise. This case is a true chameleon, equally at home under your TV as it is on your desk next to one of the best gaming monitors. And with dimensions of just 10.79 by 6.69 by 19.29 inches, it's a space-saving PC case that won't dominate your living area. Moving on to our number 4 pick, we have the Cooler Master Cube 500 Flat Pack. It can handle beefy components like full-sized ATX power supplies up to 6.3 inches long, as well as radiators and liquid cooling setups. And let's not forget about those sleek aesthetics. With its clean lines and brushed aluminum finish, the Evolve Shift 2 is a true work of art that'll elevate the look of any space it occupies. Throw in some RGB lighting and you've got yourself a showstopper that'll make your friends envious. This flat pack case is like a puzzle that you get to assemble yourself, and the satisfaction of building it piece by piece is unmatched. With its vibrant color options and endless customization possibilities, you can truly make this case your own. Swap out panels, add your own flair, and let your creativity run wild. The DIY enthusiast's dream come true. And let's not forget about the efficient airflow design. This baby will keep your components chilled even during the most intense gaming sessions. Speaking of airflow, the Cube 500 Flat Pack is a true ventilation beast. With support for up to 10 120mm fans or 740mm fans, you can create a veritable hurricane of cool air inside this case. And thanks to its spacious interior, you'll have plenty of room for beefy air coolers and radiators up to 360mm long. Plus, those integrated carry handles make it a breeze to transport your masterpiece to LAN parties or your friends' houses for some serious bragging rights. Just imagine the looks on their faces when you whip out this one-of-a-kind rig. Moving on to the third spot, we have the Asus Prime AP201, the ultimate small tower case for big performance. This compact beast is a true space saver, but don't let its petite stature fool you. It's designed to house mighty components like the latest RTX 4090 graphics card and a 360mm AIO cooler, all while maintaining exceptional airflow. With its sleek black or white finish, the Prime AP201 is a stylish addition to any battle station. But it's not just a pretty face. This case is a true workhorse with a tool-free design that makes building and upgrading a breeze. No more wrestling with stubborn screws or fumbling with tiny tools. Just pop off the panels and get to work. And let's talk about that airflow. The Prime AP201 is like a wind tunnel for your PC components, with a full mesh front panel that channels cool air straight to your hardware. No more hot spots or thermal throttling. This case keeps everything running at peak performance no matter how intense your workload gets. But that's not all. This case also has some serious cable management game. With a 32mm gap behind the motherboard tray, you can tuck away those unsightly cables and keep your build looking clean and pristine. And if you're worried about compatibility, the Prime AP201 has got that covered too. It can handle micro ATX and mini ITX motherboards, power supplies up to 180mm long, and graphics cards up to 338mm in length. That's more than enough room for even the most beastly builds. Coming in as our runner-up for the best Airflow PC case of 2024 is the Fractal Design Meshify C. This mid-tower masterpiece is a true breath of fresh air, quite literally. Its iconic mesh front panel is designed for maximum airflow, ensuring your components stay cooler even during the most intense gaming sessions. But this case isn't just a one-trick pony, it's also a stunner in the looks department. With its unique polygonal mesh pattern and sleek lines, the Meshify C is a true head-turner that'll instantly improve the aesthetics of your setup. And let's not overlook that spacious interior. This case offers ample room for even the most demanding builds, with support for up to 7 fans, radiators up to 360mm, and graphics cards up to 315mm long. But what really sets this case apart is its attention to detail. From the pre-installed dust filters to the cleverly designed cable routing channels, Fractal Design has thought of everything to make your building experience as smooth as possible. No more wrestling with tangled cables or dealing with dusty interiors. The Meshify C has your back. And let's not forget about that reasonable price tag. This case offers incredible value for money, delivering top-notch performance, stunning aesthetics, and a user-friendly design that'll make even the most seasoned builders swoon. Finally, the #1 spot for the best Airflow PC case of 2024 goes to the Height Y70 Touch. This masterpiece is the peak of cutting-edge technology and innovation, boasting a 4K interactive touchscreen that puts most displays to shame. But it's not just a pretty face. This case is a true powerhouse, offering ample space for even the most demanding builds, including support for up to 10 case fans and 3 radiators. Its dual-chamber design ensures optimal airflow, keeping your components cool and collected, no matter how intense your workload gets. And let's talk about that cool touchscreen display. With the ability to showcase system information, live backgrounds, and quick access widgets, this case takes customization and user experience to a whole new level. The Y70 Touch also comes packed with other premium features that'll make your jaw drop, like the vertical GPU riser that lets you show off your beastly graphics card, or the tempered glass panels that offer a cool glimpse into the inner workings of your rig. And let's not forget about the huge amount of space inside this beast. With support for motherboards up to eATX, graphics cards up to 390mm long, and CPU coolers up to 180mm tall, the Y70 Touch can handle even the most outrageous builds with ease. But what really sets this case apart is its unparalleled attention to detail and premium build quality. From the brushed aluminum exterior to the toolless design, every aspect of the Y70 Touch oozes luxury and sophistication. Now, we know what you're thinking. All this awesomeness must come with a pretty hefty price tag, right? Well, you're not wrong. The Height Y70 Touch is an investment, but trust us, it's worth every penny. This case is the ultimate flex, combining jaw-dropping visuals with top-notch performance and unparalleled functionality. Imagine the looks on your friends' faces when they see this beast. And when you fire it up and that 4K touchscreen comes to life, it'll be like stepping into the future of PC gaming. But the Y70 Touch isn't just a showpiece, it's a true workhorse that's built to last. With its rock-solid construction and careful attention to detail, this case will keep your components safe and secure for years to come, no matter how intense your gaming sessions or workloads get. But enough talking, it's time to take action. Head on down to the links in the description below and start browsing these beauties for yourself. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more mind-blowing tech content coming your way. Until next time.